Hello, I'm Shelby. I'm a professional actress, teacher, audition coach, director, voiceover artist, etc. And I love Shakespeare. I love Shakespeare. And I love auditioning. No, surely not. Shakespeare's so confusing, man. Auditioning's so scary. And that's all true. Shakespeare can be really hard at first, and I think auditioning is one of the most vulnerable things you can do. But that's why I created this channel. Shakespeare can also be electrifying, fierce, hilarious, and auditioning can be an absolute joy as a delicious chance to perform and show the world who you are, what you care about, and why you in particular are awesome, because you are. On this channel, you will see me performing Shakespeare monologues, all in one take, so you can see kind of what a self-tape might look like if you're preparing an audition, or just seeing someone do a Shakespeare speech, hoping that it will make a little more sense than if you read it on the page. You'll see me explaining Shakespeare in tutorials, where I take the monologue or scene I just performed and break it down for you, so you know exactly what these old-timey words mean and why they're way more relatable to our modern lives than we thought. Me doing a super fun creative experiment called Cosplay Shakespeare, where I take a classical speech and do it as a unique, unexpected character to see what gets cracked open as a result. It might be weird, or it might be really illuminating, plus an excuse to put on a costume. And me giving some much needed audition advice, especially geared towards young artists going through the college audition process for acting programs. Students always ask me, how did you get into your dream school? Because I did get into my dream school, twice. And both times I had a coach. It gave me a huge leg up to have people helping me find monologues, choose monologues, especially ones that weren't overdone or weren't authentic to me, and make those speeches not only adequately prepared, but so prepared that they were then flexible and able to be worked in live auditions. It's a lot. Let me be clear, to get into any of these programs that you want to get into, you do not need a coach. However, you deserve one. Shakespeare and theater in general has changed my life in so many ways, as have the arts programs that taught me about Shakespeare and about myself. I want everybody to have that experience and to have a fighting chance to get into these programs. And I'm stoked to share my love of Shakespeare and this crucial advice with you on this format. Because if you can do poetry, if you can do Shakespeare, you can do anything. My intention is to foster an online community of fun, generous, creative, authentic humans who nerd out about words and performance and the importance of personal expression. And it is very important to me that everyone who has the passion, curiosity, openness, and work ethic to go for their dreams has access to this level of coaching. And I'm committed to making sure that there are resources available at every price level, including free, like this channel. So whether you're prepping an audition, interested in learning about Shakespeare in general in a fun, fresh way, ready to laugh seeing me dress up in costumes and don odd voices, or you're just a big old Shakespeare nerd like me, yay! I'm confident you'll find value in this channel, and I'm so excited and grateful that you are on this journey with me. So click that subscribe button and join us. We nerds, we happy nerds. And I will see you in the comments. See you soon, or as they say in Shakespeare times, anon. Anon! Welcome to my library. This is a wooden straw that I got at a Renaissance fair because I'm a nerd.